Hello everyone, Sam is from my forexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about EUR-AUD chart, and let me show you. Okay, so this is the chart I made yesterday on December 13th, EUR-AUD 33-minute chart, based on the weekly chart and all my analysis and all that. So this was a big move, right? And after that, this drop, I said, okay, this is A, and then we went up to 11.4% line. This is also a 61% retracement back to this. If you pull the fib from here to there, and it's 61%. So usually, Elliott wave count. Yeah, when you have nice move, it usually retraces A, B, C fashion. So I said A, this is A, this is B. Then if it start to come down here, then it has to come down here for wave C, right? At least right here support, or maybe it will just bounce from this support and go up, or this is what the Elliott wave theory is talking about. So based on that, and this system is like, okay, this is 61%, and I'm going to post a reversal candle here on a 33-minute chart. So the idea is that then you go, once it's done, then you go on a 7-minute chart and look for the entry. Same scenario, that blue candle will turn in red candle, and this indicates all the way up and coming down. So I said, okay, I wrote it down here. I will be looking to go short in London session from 7-minute chart. So from 33-minute chart setup, 7-minute chart entry, and in the volume time, basically. Okay, while London session, before that is like 10, 11, 12 p.m. here. A very dangerous time. Okay, so I didn't want to do that. So what happened to this chart? After I do that, and then later on I found the entry. This is a 7-minute chart. So we were here, and then it started to come down. I said, no, I'm not gonna get in. I will wait for a proper setup for this indicator to go up and then start to come down. This is where it happens. So I got in, placed an SL here, and went to play around with my son. And then a little bit later I saw it down here, so I moved my SL to break even, and this is the recording I did after a little while. 40 pips so far from here to here, and even then, after that, after a little bit more time, it was down here 65 pips all the way. Same thing the next day, 14, which is Friday today, 14 December, and my entry was on 158.08. So this is my friends, is so simple, and this is how easy it is if you really plan your trade and trade your plan. And if you know what you're doing, only then you can plan your trade, right? For example, I wrote it down here. Okay, by the way, this is how it looks like on a 20-minute chart. I usually take entries from 7-minute chart, but the 7-minute chart, usually by the time it travels 70-80 pip, it's spread all over the chart, and then it goes out of the screen. So I usually show my 20-minute chart, as you know, all of this is the same thing basically. You can take the wait and see, and take the entry from 20-minute chart or 7-minute chart based on the 33-minute setup. It's basically the same thing to me, and I when you join me, I explain it to you. So this is how it looks like on 20-minute chart, and let me show you the final 30-minute chart that I recorded. It started from here, and it's only up here, and I have already 65 pip. If we go all the way, imagine, so this is how it is. It's so easy, this is, I call it like, plan your trade, then trade your plan. That's it. If you know what you're doing, I was expecting that it would come down, and then I was waiting for my entry. Entry came, I took it. I'm in profit, I'm in break even. I'm gonna let it go just for the sake of education, and then let's see what happened on Monday. I'm gonna leave this pair, this trade open for the weekend. I usually don't do it, but let's see, let it be open, and then see what happened on Monday, how it goes. So this is how easy it is. I did that same thing, pound Aussie the other day, with pound pairs the other day, and with the help of Euro Aussie, I traded all Aussie pairs, pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, nice and clean. And I have some other today as well, Aussie Newsy, I have a trade Euro-USD, USD pairs, basically Euro-USD, Aussie-USD, and Aussie-USD, which I will make another video for the whole recap. This is only for Euro-Aussie and these charts which I made, and I said, that's what's gonna happen. And from here to here, nice and clean, and I even showed you my entry from 7-minute chart. So this is how it is. If you want to learn, I have a webinar coming, my scheduled webinar. I do webinars twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday. So Sunday, today's Friday, so after tomorrow I probably will have a training webinar tomorrow as well. I haven't done that for a long time, but there's a lot of new people, so I'm going to do that for them. So if you want to join, just go on my website. Here's my website. If you don't know, let me show you right here. This is myforexmagicweb.com. You can go here. You can see all the others. This is Aussie Newsy. You can see how, almost like 500-600 pip straight drop from this chart to this chart. And all of these, my previous trades are here. And see this one, this is Euro-Aussie. There was Euro-USD. That's not here. Anyway, so they're all there. They're all there. Okay, so I'm gonna be posting some more trades later on. So yeah, come here. Use this button to subscribe and get the system. Prepare your chart and get ready for Monday. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.